Today, I'm sharing an easy DIY glow mask that will leave your skin radiant, soft, and beautifully glowing using simple ingredients. Start with mashed banana, 1 tablespoon. Add honey, 1 tablespoon. Then, 1 tablespoon of milk. Mix everything well until smooth. Your instant glow mask is ready. This classic DIY face mask made with banana, honey, and milk is a perfect for bringing your skin back to life. Banana is rich in potassium and nutrients that deeply hydrate and soften the skin. Honey helps fight acne with its antibacterial properties, while milk gently brightens and smooths using natural lactic acid. Together, they work to nourish dry, dull skin, improve texture, and leave your face feeling soft, fresh, and naturally glowing. Try this easy mask and get that healthy glow at home.